Next, we'll move on to page number 23, that is Wallpaper and Screensaver. So what is a wallpaper? A wallpaper is a background image or a set of images displayed on the computer screen. A screensaver is a computer program that makes the screen black or shows a picture when the computer is on but not being used. So you can change the settings of wallpaper and screensaver of a computer. So we'll learn how to change the settings of a wallpaper. So if you look at my desktop, the image which you see, this is the wallpaper, or you can call it as the background. So changing wallpaper. To change the wallpaper of a computer, follow the steps given below. So there are two ways how you can change the settings of your wallpaper. So first we'll deal with one step, the first initial step, which the textbook has guided us. That is step 1. To change the wallpaper computer, step 1, click on the start button. So you will find the start button on the left hand side of your taskbar. As you all know, this rectangular panel, this is your taskbar. So on the left hand side, you will find the start button. So step 1 says click on the start button. So once you click on the start button, we'll go to step 2. It says click on the control panel option. It says to click on the control panel option. So once you click on the control panel option, the control panel window will appear. So this is a control panel window for Windows 7. So it varies from Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8. It varies from versions. Okay. So right now I'm using Windows 7. So this is the control panel. This is the window for control panel for Windows 7. So step 3, click on the personalization icon. So we'll look for the personalization icon. So this appearances and personalization. So we'll click on personalization. So once you click on personalization, change the theme, change the background, change window glass color, change sound effects, change screensaver. So all those effects which is meant for the wallpaper and screensaver appears under the personalization option. So change the theme, we click on change the theme. So it will take us to the personalization option where we can change the theme. We click on it, our background, the wallpaper changes. So another step, another way to change the background or the wallpaper is simply by right clicking. So we right click on the desktop, and the last option is personalize. We go and click on personalize. So once we do that, the same window appears, the same personalization window appears. All right. So as you all know, right click on the desktop helps us save time. So your first way was we went to start, we click on control panel, then we clicked on personalization, then we click on the change theme or change background. Whatever you do, the same window appears. Okay. So instead of doing all this, you can straight away right click, personalize, and this particular window appears. So once you reach the personalization window, if you look at this, this is the desktop background. You just click on it. So you can choose your desired image. Okay, just click on it, save changes. There you go. I have changed the wallpaper or the background. So step 4 says click on the desktop background icon, choose a desktop background, window will appear. Step 5, click on the picture that you want to use as your wallpaper. If the picture you want to use is not in the list, click an item in the picture location list to see other categories, or click browse to see for the picture on your computer. When you find the picture that you want, double click on it. It will become your desktop background. So right click, personalize desktop background. So browse. Choose a folder, images, photo gallery. Okay. So these are the images. You choose one. Okay. This is not a very clear picture. So this is how you change your wallpaper if you have your own image, if you want to display your own image. How do you do it? You right click, personalize, desktop background, click on browse. So where is your folder? Let's see, I have class 3, new folder. Okay. So new folder has this many images. So I just click one image, save changes. It gets displayed on the background. Okay. It's very simple. So next, we'll learn about changing screensaver. So what is a screensaver? Screensaver is a computer program that makes the screen black or shows a picture when the computer is on but not being used. So when you set a screensaver, it gets activated when your computer remains idle for some time. Idle means while you are working on the computer, so as you take a break, say for around 2 or 3 minutes, those particular time you can set it on your own. So when a computer remains idle is the time when you don't use your mouse and the time when you don't use your keyboard. So that is the time when the screensaver gets activated. So how do you set a screensaver? Let's look at page number 25, changing screensaver. To change the screensaver of a computer, follow the steps given below. Step 1, click on the start button. Okay, again it says click on the start button. Click on the control panel. When you click on the control panel window appears. Now click on the personalization icon. So we all know this is our personalization icon. You just click on it. So we come to the personalization window. So the last option on the personalization is your change screensaver. So once you click on this, you'll see the screensaver option. So this step, so this process, we can access it if we just right click on the desktop and go to personalization. Then in the personalization window, the last option you see is screensaver. Since it's none, because I have not set any screensaver in my machine. So I just click on screensaver. The screensaver window appears. So right now you'll see none. There's no screensaver set. So what I'll do is I just click on the screensaver, the down arrow, and I'll choose a particular screensaver, say bubbles. I click on bubbles. So if you look at the wait option, can you see the wait option? It says 210 minutes. So what will happen is after 210 minutes, the computer remaining idle, the screensaver will start. So 210 minutes is a very long time. So what we'll do is we'll just set it for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, you'll find this thing happening. You'll see bubbles coming. So this is the time when my computer remains idle. This is the time I don't touch my mouse, I don't touch my keyboard. So I just sit back and relax, and the screensaver starts appearing. So there are various screensavers up here: bubbles, 3D text, settings. So you can write your own name, resolution high, low, fast. spin, seesaw. So there are motions. Just click on it. Okay. So preview. So this is what will happen when my computer remains idle. You'll see the screensaver with a 3D image. Okay. So all you have to do is write down the time after how many minutes you want the screensaver to appear. It's up to you. Either you write 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. It's up to you. Okay.